Yo yo, what's up fam? Guess what? We are in Osaka! As you can see behind me, I'm at our hotel in Osaka, Otemae. I think that's where we are. I'm on the actual balcony, so this is the view. That's downstairs. Anyway, today's itinerary is basically for me to go to the city. I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna get, your boy is actually gonna get his hair dyed today. He's gonna get the whole full Asian look. I'm going silver ash. I'm actually quite nervous and quite scared on how things are going to turn out, but you gotta risk it for the biscuit. You gotta try new things, and when in Japan, I don't know, I just want to look like not everyone looks like this, but I'm just saying, you know, a lot of people do have dyed hair there, and like I just wanted to give it a go. And it's not like I can do this all the time, especially in Melbourne because of church duties and stuff. And so yeah, I'm gonna do it, and hope you guys like the transformation because it's gonna be crazy. You guys know what you think of the actual transformation later in the video, but other than that, we're gonna be going around the Osaka city today. Gonna, you know, hit up some shops and hit up some food. So let's get going, guys. There's AJ. There's Raquel. So we're gonna do a quick stop at Family Mart. We just left our hotel. Hotel My Stays in Otemae. Or Otemae. That's where we're staying. It's a pretty nice hotel, cheap. It was one of the cheaper ones. We couldn't really stay in the actual Osaka city because it was really expensive, especially at this time. So we're gonna go to Family Mart now to get some food. And AJ and I had some pretty big headaches when we woke up this morning, so we're gonna be getting some like Panadol or whatever. What I like about the convenience stores here, any 7-Eleven, Family Mart, they have a lot of variety, and there's actually a lot of, their instant food is pretty good too. I gotta admit, literally almost all the stuff I don't know what it says. I just look, if it looks good, then yeah, I'll eat it. But isn't that how normal it is anyway? So yeah. So what we just realized is that they don't actually have Panadol here in Family Mart, so we have to go to 7-Eleven. Hopefully they have some, because I don't think there's no Panadol. I think they have Tylenol, which is what I'm going for, so hopefully they have some. So I'm going to be off to my actual hair appointment now. See you later, guys. You're going to see me with a brand new transformation.
Are you going to vlog it too?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
What I noticed here as well is that a lot of people ride their bikes to go to everywhere, which is pretty cool. That's why everyone's so thin here in Japan. And what I actually noticed about the actual cars here in Japan is they have those really boxy square cars. Like this one. See it? So it's like, everything's really uniform. I don't know if they do it for design or it's just like for space saving, especially when you're driving. You don't have those wide cars that take up more space and stuff. A lot of housing here as well. They'll have like this really small narrow space, but they'll take like the maximum advantage of it by building like multiple stories on it, just like the kind of building that you just saw just then, which I think is pretty cool. But it's like, it's weird when there's just like there's nothing next to it on the left or the right or the back, and it's just got this really tall thin building. Then I don't know if you guys saw it, but they had those coffee boss vending machines everywhere. They're like, there's just two right there, 1, 2. So they're everywhere. Another thing that I noticed here as well in Japan is that even if the buildings look like they've been there for ages, they still look pretty sturdy, as in like they look really good for their age kind of thing. So they're still clean, they're still like, you know, structurally intact, that kind of stuff. They're not dirty, which is what I really like and admire about Japan, how they can just take care of their buildings and stuff like this, even if they're really, really old. Now I just have to catch the elevator to get there. Excited! So this is the current view at Crave, New York. It's pretty nice. That's what it looks like for now. Hopefully it's going to change later. Oh my gosh, look at my hair, it's like a little puppy. Wow. This one. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's here, man. What's up, guys? So we are currently at this sushi train place. I don't even know what it's called. What's it called? Okay. Look on the back. Oh, I don't even have anything. No, we don't know what it's called, but yeah. Sushi train. Like 6 plates. So we're just basically grabbing whatever we can. So this is us actually trying the whale bacon. First reaction.
You were pointing at me.
We're gonna be trying the whale. It's interesting. I don't know. I don't know what to think. Yeah, it tastes like fish, normal fish. But I don't know. I don't have a really big.
I think whale.
It is whale. I know, but it tastes like fish, like normal fish to me.
Oh. I think 9. Oh no.
1, 2.
Okay, you win.